Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about what is security analytics. Security analytics is a combination of softwares, algorithms, and analytic processes. This is just not one thing, it's a combination of multiple things. And it is basically used to detect the potential threat to the IT systems. Okay, so collectively, lot of things working together to find out what attacks, potential attacks, or we can say the attacks that is to our IT systems. Okay, and if this is evolving rapidly due to the advancement in the criminal industry. Why that's so? Because nowadays just the we can say traditional way to find out the malware is not sufficient, because cyber criminals evolved continuously. They are generating the attacks to conceal themselves from the uh, different security postures or the security systems we are using in our organization. So the normal threat detection method will not sufficient. So we also need advanced security analytics system, we can say, that can detect those advanced threats. Okay, and security analytics really play very important role. And you can see here the analytics that's related to security. It's just growing rapidly. In 2016, the market value was 2.955 billion only, and it is expected in 2025 is 25.94 billion. Just you see the difference here. How big is the difference? So a lot of opportunities for the guys who will really will be able to develop the skills of cybersecurity, or the skills special to the security analytics. Okay, and the key player nowadays, those are providing wonderful security analytics services or tools. We can say that's IBM. Okay, QRadar is wonderful. FireEye or RSA, Cisco System Stealthwatch, and HP Enterprise. Another main player is Arbor Networks. Okay, so they are providing different tools for security analytics. Still, we don't having the skilled manpower to understand the security analytics. So, lot of opportunities here for you. Now, what are the main components or the elements, we can say, that's in security analytics solution? Security analytics solution can be for the real-time threat detection, or it can be like historically we want to keep our data so that we can educate our security analytics systems. If we also get some kind of attacks that related to the previous attack. Okay, and the real time it will observe the number of devices, whether that's our servers, endpoint devices, our mobile devices, our IoT devices. Okay, or whether we are having the feed from the devices that's related to our switches, routers, firewalls, IPS, or we are also getting data from intelligent security search or the analytics, means from the different threat intelligent companies which are continuously observing the threats emerging in the market, in the industry, and they will public they will publish publicly their new findings, so that the companies can add in their analytics, or they can also threat hunt in the organization, whether their security systems not were not able to identify, yes, this attack happened in our organization or already. Okay, so this they can also get that. And uh, continuously they need to observe, yes, what type of real threat nowadays um, we are having in our organization, or what type of threats that's out from outside we are encountering. Okay, so we can also have the honeypot in our organization, so that those attacks information in the honeypot we can get, and we just try to find out, yes, this is type of the attack is happening on our organization. Clear? So they are continuously collecting data from different devices and putting the risk level on it, so that we can prioritize, yes, this is the particular high risk alerts emerging, so we need to put our concentration on the specific alerts, so that we can minimize the damage to our organization. So security analytics is really playing wonderful role to finding out the threats in our organization. Okay, and just not on the signature base, it will also observe, is there any user or the any entity is just behaving abnormally. Might be our devices not able to identify certain kind of advanced attacks, and when those attacks will be in our organization, they can use the credential of our organization and can just exfiltrate the data from our organization. So this we come to know, yes, this is the abnormal behavior related to certain user. Okay, might be that's this particular user is accessing to the high privileged accounts, or might be they are accessing to the another servers which are not coming to under his or her duties. So they will also observe all things and trying to find out, yes, what are the root cause of doing all these things, might be credential compromised. So security analytics will providing us a lot of insight about our security postures, of our security settings we have implemented. So isn't it so wonderful just to know about the security analytics solution? Okay, so follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends and group members as well, so that they will be able to understand what exactly this security analytics and what are the main components of it, and how rapidly it's just growing. And when something is growing means there will be a huge demand for the security professionals, and industries always already lacking to find out the highly competent professionals to understand about the security analytics. So in the next session I will discuss about the malwares with 1,000 faces. Namaste, see you in the next session.